Hey guys, what's up? My name is Gorilla Paster, also known as Mechanic Zach, and today we're going to look at a wheel bearing on a 2012 Highlander. I'm going to let you pay attention real closely in a second and listen really carefully on this video. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to convey with it, so I'm going to be quiet. Okay, so on this wheel bearing, it was only making a sound above 38, 39 miles an hour, so 40, let's just call it 40 miles an hour. And one method that I wanted to try and see if it would work, just a quick temperature reading at the back of the hub. Well, it's not necessarily the hub, but as you can see here in a second, so the front two were about 83, something like that, right? And then this one was that temperature, and now I scroll over to this one, and it's 90 degrees. So that's a dead giveaway. Heat buildup is a dead giveaway that you got a problem. So let's get out our fancy Harbor Freight special and see if I could pull that old wheel bearing off and see if it is indeed the problem. I'm just going to put this on real quick. You know what? Let's speed this up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I sped it up really fast. Okay, you're welcome, guys. Now, okay, regular speed. You know what? Let's just leave it here because 10x is it's either 10x or no. It's either balls deep or no balls at all. All right. Here in a second, I'm going to, after I thread this giant shaft in, I'm going to knock this thing out, and then I'm going to have you listen again for a little noise that I can actually visually and tell once I get the hub assembly off. Oh yeah. Okay, set you up. Look at me, I'm so pretty. Oh my goodness, one swing. Did I even need that? A hammer probably could have worked. Okay, guys, get ready to listen again.